together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Kepa here, and I'm back with another blazing video. Guys, as you can see by the title, this one is called Messing Up the Dance Routine. This is how Abbi going to react. So guys, recently we do a dance to a song. If you follow Instagram, Abbi_Kepa, we dance to a song. So that day guys, I decided to go prank her. So I do is just make the camera run and we do the routine, we do be a foolishness, and boy Abbi, Abbi going to bag of things. So guys, make sure you spam the comment section, Team Kepa. Make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe right now. Guys, before the video starts, I want to give some shout out. The first one go to Charmaine Grace, who is always watching, always a comment. Charmaine, big up yourself. The second shout out goes to Shavel Pantan. So we'll see y'all watch, we'll see y'all comment, and I love that. So guys, just keep on doing the same thing, subscribe and share. The last shout out goes to Cassandra Edwards. Okay, so guys, make sure you just continue to support we, and anybody else who want to get a shout out, do the same thing, support we, active in the comment section and follow up on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to Abbi and Kepa Comedy TV. We want to reach 1K on the channel, so please go over there right now and subscribe. Abbi and Kepa Comedy TV. The video begin in 3, 2, 1.
Last one, two, before the music.
Alright, what
Give
is
me
that?
another one.
Remember for the man.
Remember,
Go past this up.
pass that something.
I mean, if you go, if you call it, let's say you you start. Ready now?
Do it exactly what the man said.
Ready? New style. Style can't spoil. I'm really come out and jump here. Watch this.
Yeah, but start on the same somewhere as me. Come on here.
Yeah, I did not. New
Start
style.
on something difficult.
New style. Style can't spoil. I'm really come out and jump here. Watch this. New style.
New style, that's how it
Put your
Yeah, but when I say to go back so far, when they say so, you must do it. Put your hand in the ear.
Ready now.
Yeah, but you must try and go through the film something.
Yeah, but we're ready to go straight through now. Yeah, you're going face. Ready?
Put your hand in the ear, then you rock, then you dip.
Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3. New style. Style can't spoil. Watch this. New style. Put your hand in the ear. Then you dip.
Give it. That's the tail, you know, yeah. Manala.
You kill me? Ah! Head up, man.
Give me when I ask some food.
What do you mean?
Move, man. You know, I'm going to take serious, but I'm trying to do it. Do I?
Fine, girl, come to the video.
Yeah, but when you ask so.
One put that in the video.
Yeah, but it's not going to Instagram and nothing.
I practice it. So you practice it.
You want to go 10 times. Stop act like idiot.
Who that? Read on, let's practice now.
Yeah, but stop act like
One put
idiot.
that in there, one put that in there. Look. Let's speak, just aim it once. It's not because I want to go in there, look. I call you, and go so. You move 1, 2, 3, boom, 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 boom. Boy, I love that. What?
Stop act like idiot.
If I know, I'm going to already think, girl. Come on.
And then say, may I do this for you? They say, may I do this for come on with them Instagram?
Wait.
Yeah, but stop act like idiot. Stress me and stop.
Keep the normal routine there.
Yes, stop.
Alright, now.
Now, I'm not. Feel I'm going to squeeze your egg. Say, I'm going to feel it.
Squidward. Look at the close pin, give the last squeeze close pin. Ready, man.
Now, last time, may I do it?
Ready now.
If I don't get this right, I'm not about to do it.
Ready. Look, Abbi. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 on the ear, 2 on the ear, rock and then dip. See? Abbi, laugh. Come, Abbi.
I'm not ready.
I'm ready. Seriously.
Let's start the last time.
You're coming in?
Let me know what's coming in.
New style. Style. style again, boy. I know you're about to come here, boy. Watch this now. Where are you? Abbi. You style. Yo, people. I have no idea say the camera run. So I go prank her and make she think me be a foolish spite. Well, I can't do the dance, no, but I prank her. They come in here for? Abbi.
Just go and go do it.
I prank you all ago, you know. I was intentionally messing up the song. You see I go react. You get pranked.
I keep on the time now to prank.
AC gang, I be mad. I be pushing the ground all I go, supposed to hard like a man. Guys, this video, pussy no.
Keep on doing funny. Alright.
I have to get pranked people.
I'm coming so you act like extra idiot. So I know you're idiot, but you act extra idiot. You can't miss it. You can't better.
So guys, just subscribe if you're new. Comment Team Kappa down below if you enjoyed that prank.
I don't like when things stress
And
me out.
just subscribe and comment and like the videos. And I'll see the video up on Instagram soon. And then I'll go upload the prank on our group and all that go. Team Kappa, Abbi say Team Kappa. Abbi.
Come here, Steve.
Team Kappa people. Team Kappa.